PCIe Riser cable enables flexible GPU placement for compact cases, vertical mounting, and better airflow. Today's video is about top 5 best PCIe Riser cable that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at AsiaHorse PCIe Riser cable. The AsiaHorse White PCIe cable extension kit is a well-built upgrade for PC enthusiasts who want both improved aesthetics and stable power delivery. Designed as an extension kit, it works with existing modular power supplies, making it compatible with popular Corsair RM, RMX, and HX series units. Built with UL 101516 AWG tin copper wiring, these cables offer strong current handling and excellent heat resistance, ensuring stable performance even under heavy GPU loads. The durable construction also helps prevent overheating issues during long gaming or rendering sessions. A key highlight is the soft nylon braided design, which makes cable routing much easier compared to stiff standard cables. It fits smoothly into tight spaces and maintains its shape over time with the help of included cable combs, ensuring a clean and professional-looking build. The upgraded connectors improve installation convenience by reducing pin alignment issues, making GPU and motherboard connections easier. Overall, this kit delivers a strong balance of reliability, flexibility, and premium visual appeal for modern PC builds. Now our second product is ConnBull PCIe Riser cable. This PCIe Riser cable and vertical GPU mount kit is designed for users who want both performance and a premium showcase build. It enables vertical GPU installation, helping improve aesthetics while also enhancing airflow and reducing strain on internal components when properly configured. One important consideration is space requirements, as it needs at least 6 PCIe slots and careful case compatibility checking before installation. It is especially recommended for use with water cooling setups to avoid clearance issues with large air coolers. The kit is built with future-ready Gen 5 support, making it compatible with high-end GPUs such as the RTX 4090 and RX 7900 XTX. It also fully supports backward compatibility with Gen 4 and Gen 3 systems while maintaining stable high-speed signal transmission. With premium shielding and 29 AWG wiring, it ensures reliable performance and reduced signal interference. Overall, this riser cable kit is ideal for gamers and PC enthusiasts who prioritize aesthetics, GPU display, and next-gen upgrade readiness. Our third product is EZDIY-FAB PCIe Riser cable. This PCIe 5.0 Gen 5 x16 riser cable is a high-end solution built for next-generation GPU performance and showcase-style PC builds. With up to 128 GB per second bidirectional bandwidth, it is fully ready for powerful GPUs like the RTX 5090, RTX 4090, and AMD RX 7000/9000 series, while remaining backward compatible with older PCIe generations. A major strength is its 6-layer PCB design with full lane shielding, which significantly reduces crosstalk and electromagnetic interference. This helps maintain stable signal transmission and minimizes issues such as black screens or system crashes during heavy workloads. The ultra-flexible TPE cable allows easy installation in tight IDX cases or vertical GPU mounts without kinking or damage. Combined with a reinforced metal slot and precision copper contacts, it ensures a secure and stable connection even under the weight of high-end GPUs. With multiple length and angle options, 200 mm per 300 mm, 90 degrees per 180 degrees, it offers strong compatibility for different case sizes. Overall, it is a reliable and future-proof riser cable for performance and aesthetics-focused builds. Now number 4, AsiaHorse and PCIe Riser cable. This vertical 90-degree PCIe riser cable is designed for clean GPU positioning and improved case aesthetics, making it a practical choice for vertical GPU installations. The angled connector helps optimize internal space while enabling flexible graphics card placement in compatible PC cases. Built with high-quality solder points and gold-plated contacts, it ensures strong conductivity and long-term durability. The low-resistance PCB design helps reduce interference, supporting stable high-speed signal transmission for modern GPUs. A key advantage is its ability to maintain performance without noticeable loss, even under continuous use. It is engineered to reduce heat and stability issues often associated with poorly designed riser cables, making it suitable for extended gaming or workload sessions. The reinforced structure also adds protection against signal loss when the cable is bent or positioned in tight spaces. Overall, this riser cable offers a reliable balance of performance, durability, and space optimization, making it a solid choice for vertical GPU setups in gaming or showcase builds. And our last choice is Sinloon PCIe Riser Cable. This PCIe 4.0x1 riser cable is a practical and versatile solution for expanding system connectivity, especially in compact or specialized PC builds. With support for up to 16 gigabits per second bandwidth, it delivers fast and stable performance while remaining backward compatible with older PCIe generations. Its wide compatibility makes it suitable for various PCIe devices, including 2.5G network cards, capture cards, SSD RAID controllers, and remote switch cards. The PCIe X1 female connector also allows flexible installation of different PCIe adapter types, though operation remains limited to X1 speed. Built with gold-plated contacts, up to 3U thickness, it ensures improved conductivity, reduced signal loss, and longer service life. The soft yet durable TPE cable adds flexibility while resisting wear during installation in tight spaces. However, proper installation is important, as the product does not support hot plugging and requires power-off handling to avoid damage. Overall, it is a reliable and durable riser cable for expanding PCIe functionality in compact systems. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.